This is how you can tell there is a tropical storm out there nearby South Florida. Of course, I'm talking about a tropical storm Colin. And this is the temperature right now, 86, 87 degrees. And well, this is not the time. Time's out. But temperature is accurate. And look at the humidity. 74% humidity. And this is the sky. Gray. Everywhere you look is gray. But the humidity is oppressive. And this is what happens when a tropical storm is coming. The humidity is so oppressive it feels like 120 degrees out here. Fortunately, Colin is not going to hit South Florida, so they predict, but it's going to hit up in northern Florida. But we're getting the effects down here already.